Hey, how's it going, everyone? So today we're doing a video and we're going to be trying out these three instant boba flavors. So this one is strawberry, and then this one is coffee, and then this one is Alright, matcha. So now we're going to go make these really quick. And if you see my last video, if you see my last video, I'll show you, like, I'll put a link right here, and then you can see, like, how to make them. But it's, like, really easy, and it takes, like, less than 60 seconds to make, so that's why we really like these. And if you want to know where you can get it, you can pick it up at H Mart, or pretty much, like, 99, Ranch 99. A lot of these places have these instant bobas, and it would be in the freezer section. Let's get to making. Got the matcha, coffee, and strawberry. We're gonna go make it really quick, and then we're gonna review it, and then see if it's worth it. Cause each one's like $7, and it comes with 4 of them, so we're gonna see if it's worth. Kind of like the other packaging. It's like easier to take off compared to this one. Dude, it's like super red. No comment. Okay, so we got this one. This one. And let's open this one. Glue it. Yeah, this one just looks like the brown sugar one. It'd be cool if it actually came with a green straw. Ooh. Alright. Ooh, yeah, look at that green. My sister made a comment on these that it looks like baby. These are the ones that we've been buying. So this is the brown sugar, then this is the black tea one. So depending how this review goes, we'll buy these more, but if it's not that great, then we're not going to buy it and stick to our favorite ones. So how we like to do it is we like to microwave it first. So microwave the drink first for 1 minute, and then after we do that, then we add milk. Then after we add the milk, then we add the ice last. This one, 1 minute. Clean the microwave because I know you guys called me out last time on the microwave, so microwave is cleaner this time. So I'm gonna wait a bit, wait for it to cool down so you don't break the glass. Yeah, that smells like coffee. That smells like some pretty strong coffee. Yeah. It smells like it's pretty strong.
Do you think Jenny will like it?
I think Jenny will like the coffee one. I mean, it smells good, but you know, we don't know if it tastes good, so we're gonna find out. All 3 of us, we're gonna try it. Me, myself, and I. Just joking. Me, Ton, and Jenny's gonna try. You know it's a good product because these are all made in Taiwan. So, not to say that it's good because Taiwan, but you know, because Taiwan, it's authentic, right, guys? Taipei City, Taiwan. If you want to know, the brand is O's Boba. O's Bubble. Hold on, so this is just strawberry flavor?
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't say if it's like strawberry milk tea, just strawberry. So I'm kind of curious. This one, I don't know. I'm really skeptical of the strawberry one.
Do you smell it?
Yeah. Oh, man, that's really strong. It's like, it's the Nesquik or the Hershey's strawberry syrup. That's what it smells like. So I'll put like an emoji or a sticker of it. That's what I'm thinking it tastes like. Or it smells like. And I think it's going to taste like that, and I'm going to be really upset. But, yeah. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna taste like. I think it's gonna taste like
Here. Shoot, do we have enough milk?
Not in this one. I think we gotta. So you fill it up to half, right? 50%.
Don't add too much. Because it's a bigger cup.
Okay.
I recommend you should try this first.
Okay.
And then this, and then the coffee last.
You gotta put the Pikachu. Okay, so I'm not alone on this review. Pikachu's also reviewing it too. So just made all three of them. So we got the coffee, strawberry, and matcha. So you said which one I should try first? Matcha? Why? Okay, I'm trying the matcha.
Because this is the strongest. You should try it last. We all look at you.
It's not as good as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah,
I had like, so for this one, I had a lot of high. It looks pretty good, like in the camera and in person, it looks good. But you could buy better instant matcha, and then make your own boba, and then it's gonna be better, and it'll probably be even cheaper because you're buying more in bulk, and your end product is just gonna be better. So I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed on the matcha one a lot more than I thought I was gonna be. I actually thought I was gonna like the matcha one. But
You got so hyped when we were there.
I got really
Yeah.
hyped. I got really excited. But
I told him just get one box for each, and he's like, "Can I get two for matcha and two for coffee?"
yeah. So either way,
Okay.
it is what it is.
This is
So
the
now I'm
first
gonna
sip.
try the strawberry one.
Not bad, right?
It's exactly as what I was thinking.
Really?
This tastes like the Hershey's strawberry syrup with milk.
Really?
With boba.
That's so basic.
So
Well, you can
If-
recreate that.
if you want strawberry milk with boba,
Buy
you
the
can make
syrup.
that yourself at home if you have boba. It'll be
This is
way
just
cheaper.
for convenient.
Yeah.
That's the point.
Yeah, I guess so.
Mhm.
But for $7, I feel like you could get away with cheaper ones.
Drinking now.
Okay,
Yeah.
so these are like kind of
Low tier.
low tier. Let's
Mix it first. Before you
If you gave them a scale, like from 1 to 10, where would you put that matcha one?
So the matcha one.
Oh, plus the other two flavors.
Okay, so
Yeah.
other two flavors, which is brown sugar and black tea. Hold on.
Try this first.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Holy shit.
Let me try.
She really
I'm
excited.
serious.
I'm letting my sister try it.
I like the coffee.
I like this one.
Right? See?
It's so strong.
Yeah.
Okay, this one.
Oh my god.
This one wins third place. So I think my ranking goes
Oh my god, it's so strong.
brown sugar, black tea, then coffee, then it goes strawberry
I think I would
Wow.
add more
and
milk.
matcha.
Oh, I intentionally added less
Less
milk
milk?
for you,
I
but you can
thought-
add more milk.
No, I think, yeah. Because when you chew,
Give it to Jenny.
when you
It's
chew
scary.
Here you
on
go.
the, no, it's 8 o'clock.
What? It's
When
okay.
you chew on the boba,
It's 5 p.m.
it's got
somewhere.
more
Oh, no, that's
coffee
for
in
drinking.
there. Okay, give it to me.
I know she likes it. Okay.
It tastes like that thing that you order from.
Share tea. No.
Is it sheer tea? It's like that coffee jelly. You
Mm.
know what I'm talking about? It's like a dessert, and it's like, oh my god, I tasted it in Vegas the first time. I don't remember what it's called, but it's like a French thing.
Forgot to ask Pikachu. What do you think? All right, no comment.
Pika.
That means she doesn't
Pika.
like any of them. I assume gender.
You should try the strawberry.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, you described it.
No, think about it. Think what I'm saying. Like the syrup,
Yeah.
the strawberry syrup.
You know what?
When I was smelling it in the microwave,
Later,
it smelled
we
exactly
should
like
buy that and then try to recreate a cheap version. It matches the hamster.
I thought I was gonna like this one way more than the
I know,
Strawberry.
These two.
I know, yeah. But the coffee is up there. Actually, I think matcha is least. Oh, I don't know. No, I think
Okay, so
strawberry's basic.
what you could take from this video is that if you see the coffee one, go for it. And then
What if you
second
like coffee?
second thing, yeah, if you don't like coffee, probably don't buy it. But second thing is that if you see the strawberry one and the matcha one, like don't think it's gonna be like the super best thing in the world and gonna be better than the brown sugar one and the black tea one because you're gonna make yourself like depressed because it's not gonna be like that amazing. So that is my review on it, and I still had a lot of fun, doing this. So if there's gonna be more videos in the future, so look out for that. So, all right, like and subscribe. See you guys next time.